Man, what a stress day. I feel relaxed and nothing about us. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. What happened last night? This was snow in Woodland Park? Donald? Donald? Donald, wake up. What happened, Sonic? The snow. It's like all cover. Damn it. Drag me. Okay. Wait, what happened to the toy? I think someone kidnapped. I don't know, dude. But luckily, it's just crazy. Hey, the snow stuff. Jesus Christ. Like, since when? This morning? Whatever. Let's go to the living room and let's see if it's ever okay. Okay, okay. It's fine now. Yeah, everybody's okay? Yeah, it's just in the living room. Yeah. So, let me just carry. Hey, stop it. Hey. Stop it. What a rough day. Yeah, it's so cool. By the way, guys, it's called Gusty. Gust wind. Blizzard. Look, it just says Snowstorm in Woodland Park. Okay, look at that. The wind blow, heaven is going chaos. Yeah, I know. Besides, I just warm up. You just warm up? Yeah. And look at Gus. You okay? Okay. Man, that trees is moving so crazily. And it looks like the snow. Thank you. Yeah, the snow. Golly. I don't want to get died from the snow. We're not gonna die. Wait, what? We're not gonna die. Sorry. Thank you. We're not gonna die. Besides, the snow just been lasting, I don't know, till tomorrow. Dude, it's just like 6 and 10 inches. Oh, whatever. Let's just go back to the labor. No. No, you can't force me. Hey! Okay, we need to find someone. Hey, is that balloon? Yeah. What? I don't know who is that. Yeah, me either. I hate people. Like, hey, no. Bad hedgehog. Yeah. Okay, we need to find someone else. Well, we can't find him because there's too much toy in that berry. I mean, since when? Today?
What is Silver Blaze doing?
Whatever. Okay, which way are we going to? Ooh, this way. We back to the room? Yeah. Whatever. Let me close the door. Okay, let's just relax. Water. Well, stay. Ow. Much better. I didn't relax since I go to sleep. Oh, man. Ow. Damn it. Ow, God. So, you want to relax after the snow? Yeah, it's just after my snow. Snowstorm in Woodland Park. That's good. Snowstorm in Woodland Park. We call it after my snow. God damn it, dude. Like what? I don't know. I need to sleep. Thank you for 26 subscribers. We guys see you this Saturday. Good night from Woodland Park.